Hamwe na amerekithia make munene wa watho Professor Muigai ni guthukirwo kagina makamishna IEBC mbere ya kwamurithio.
It is possible for us to resolve this particular crisis without doing violence to the law. And I think that that is what your committee is about, to navigate the rights of the commissioners, the expectations of the Constitution, and to agree with Senator Mudhama to navigate the legitimate expectations of the people of the Republic of Kenya.
Muigai akauga ofisi yake niehariirie kuhaririria kiria makamishna acio meguthukirwo kugikinyana ati ni megwitikira kwera ofisine no kugikinyana makamishna acio matigwitikira kwera ofisine. Muigai akendekithia watho uri utirira ati ni mehirio ofisine.
We have a legal process. It's an important process, but we also have political processes. We've been confronted with these problems previously, and sometimes we've handled the constitutional and legal problems politically. That is to say, we have found a way of negotiating a settlement politically that answers the constitutional and legal challenge.
Muigai ni igine tatirithetie uigiriku wa kamiti ya mwanya ke watho. Ona kuri ugo Muigai arongoririo makamishna kamiti yo akiuga ati kuheria maabitha ya kamiti yo kwa ya gucerithire githurano kinene giukite.
I think if we touched the bulk of the staff, then there would be no election within a reasonable time.
Muikariri wa kamiti ya IEBC Isaack Hassan nake no atitirithetie kuhaririria gutafania githurano kinene giukite thutha wa kuhariririo maria akoretwo ikurani namo ngukumio ya chickengate. Ona acirithania ni makinyetie merekithia mao mugaruruku-ini ma mutaratara wa githurano mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya. Hamwe na merekithia ma ruhonge rwa ucirithania ni kuongererwo gwa thikũ cia guthikiriria cira wigie githurano gia president kuma thikũ 14 kahinda karia kariho kahinda-ini gaka nginyagia thikũ 30. Ikinya riu kuringana na ruhonge ru ni kuruta mweke wa miena yothe gukinyia makaya mao igoti-ini.
The president doesn't assume office when there is a pending petition.
Ningĩ ruhonge ru ni rudekithĩtie igoti itu gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ guthikiriria o cira wa president tu matita mangĩ megiĩ iturwa ingĩ magĩthikiririo na magoti mangĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Supreme Court is only one bench. It's one bench. It will be flooded and completely unable to operate.
My suggestion is, if we can say 120 days, 2 months to inspect the registration of voters, 1 month to raise issues which are there, and 1 month, 30 days to reach a determination.
Ona mwandikithia wa ciama cia kiũteti ni akinyetie merekithia make kuri kamiti ya mwanya.
Results are announced. They are not announced.
Kamiti yo ĩgathiĩ na mbere na cikaro ciayo Jumatatũ ya kiumia gĩũkĩte. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa rekone macharia wa gachuru.